Okay, we're going to jump straight to creating a simple layout. If you go into layouts here, manage layouts, go to add a layout. I've already created one called demonstration, which is these are all the stuff that we have here. You see we've created one called demonstration. And I've gone, when you go into the layout setup page, you'll get an adjustment here so you can make your layout larger or smaller, depending on the size of your desktop. For this situation, you make it a little bit smaller so you can see what we're doing. And OneLAN is made up by a series of zones, and what a zone is basically a window. You can see I've put a zone. I've just gone add zone. By default, it gives you this nice background template, which you're certainly welcome to use. It gives you a couple of windows here that you can layer over the top, and it remains visible. So what we're going to do is we're going to add another zone over the top of that. And I've got a live shot of my screen in the bottom left-hand corner. So if we go to, just add that zone, save all changes and edit our playlist. So now we've got a representation of our layout. You see our background is A and our new zone is B. Over here, you can actually colour code these. Movie. If you tick these boxes, it allows combinations of text, image, HTML or movie in the one zone. If I untick movie, it just goes to image or text. There's no reason why you can't tick every box, but it defaults to red if it's movies available. You can adjust the size and position to the millimetre, to the pixel to get everything spot on. You can, if you need to be very precise with this, there's fine-tuned adjustments there. We won't dwell on that at the moment. We'll get some content playing. So what we've done, we've created a zone. Down below here we see that zone B is highlighted in bright red. If I click on the background, zone B will unhighlight and A will highlight, which means we can change our background. So at the moment we're working on zone B. And you can see by default it puts a movie in there. I'm going to delete that, that's just the default OneLAN advertising movie. To get some content in there, all we need to do is open up our pictures window. We can drag, see where it turns yellow. I'm going to drag some images into the file, into the playlist, I beg your pardon. Like so. So now I've got, the default is 10 seconds. You can go into each image. If you hit this tab here, it edits the properties. And in the properties we can fade in and fade out, show the image for different time periods. We can change the style. We can make that currently in letterbox, we can make them fit the zone. We can play to certain criteria, as in days of the week, or set it to a calendar to play that image at certain days. And we can set the position and size more precisely. If I just save those changes. Now, before anything will work, it has to be applied to a schedule. And what a schedule means is you can set it to play, the default schedule is 7 days a week, but you can actually have different things playing at different days and times. Scheduling is almost unlimited. If you see out here, I've in the schedule, the layout is demonstration, which is the one we're working on. So that's in the default schedule, by the way, is 24/7. If I activate that, you'll see now that's our live. All of a sudden, those images are sitting in that zone on our live screen.